Hi guys, how are you today? Today I have a flip through of Created Heaven's Fanciful Nature Designs by Jessica. That's her family name, which I'm not attempting to pronounce it because I will totally butcher it. So, as you may have noticed, I haven't finished my flip throughs of that one unboxing that I did for Mother's Day. Well, partially because life with two small children, especially a 6-month-old baby, it's been quite hectic. And also when I have some time to, downtime, I just want to relax, read, and watch some YouTube. So it's taking me a lot longer to film those flip throughs than I thought. Plus, I have bought more. Yes, guys, I really need to, slow down because I have now a bunch of books that I really need to color, and somehow I haven't found the time to to sit down and color them color them properly. Oh my goodness, yeah. Well, yes, in a way, you could say that, but anyways, and I'm very slow at certain things. I'm a slow reader, I'm a slow, colorist, I'm very quick at buying things. This is a terrible thing, I know. But then finding time to use the things, it takes quite a bit because, I don't know, I need to be in a certain headspace, in a certain, mood to do things. And I love my daughter to pieces, but a small baby requires a lot of energy. So as I say, when I have a relaxing moment, I just want, just lie down, read, or sit and read and watch some videos and just abstract a little bit from daily life. And so that kind of has even slowed down my creative input, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, this is the front cover. As with all Created Heavens, it's a soft cover. This is the back cover, so you have some information about Creative Heaven by Dover Publications. Oh, it says it's 93 stunning illustrations that include everything from playful patterns of flowers and flamingos to beautiful decorative planters filled with jade and cactus to uniquely creative floral arrangements. So basically, I saw this book on a YouTube channel. I need to start writing down the YouTubers that have been enabling me. So I remember who I got this, information on this book. So anyways, let's get started. You always have, this is I think my, not second, third or fourth Creative Heaven coloring book. Am I still in frame? Yes, I am. So anyways, they always have in the covers some examples on how you might color on the front cover and also on the back. Can you see that? Yeah. So this is quite a chunky book, has 93 illustrations, so I'm gonna go through it rather quickly, but hopefully still giving you plenty of opportunity to have a good look at the illustrations. When I saw the flip through in that YouTuber channel, I knew I had to have this book. There was something very appealing to me about it. I don't know exactly what it was. It's just, I knew it was, I just knew I had to get it. So it is, the copyright is this year, so it's a very recent book. Then you have some information about, you know, the book itself, and about a little bit about Jessica, the artist. And then we start the book. And like all Creative Heavens books, you have the perforated edges. So if you color a page that you really like and like to frame it, it's very easy to remove the page from the book. I personally, as I said before, I like to keep my books together. So, oh, I love this one. You know, I love berries, so might be the first page. Where are my flags? My tabs, I mean. I don't know. Well, anyways, hang on guys, sorry about that. I'll just use a little tab to mark the page. So there's a lot of wallpaper style. I know some people don't really like it, but I think there are times that, you know, not that I've done a lot of wallpapers, I've maybe done once or twice, but I actually enjoy them because I was in the mood for it. So look at this one with the little foxes. They're so cute. About the paper, it's nice, you know, paper, same as in all Creative Heaven books, kind of thick. I would assume it takes a little bit of wet media. A lot better than Amazon paper for sure. It's single-sided, so you can use your markers. So don't forget to put blotter pages between your illustrations, so if you use alcohol markers, they won't bleed to the next page, to the next image. Tropical one, oh, savanna ones or jungle ones. So you see, this is more savanna. The previous one was more jungle. You have different themes, wallpaper themes, but all like around nature, of course. You have winter, you have seasonal themes, you have, you know, animals, florals, forest. I always have to check a little bit. Fruits, if I'm in frame. Sorry guys. This is really cute. I could see, you know, watercoloring the background. Even let it bleed a little bit to the whales, and then maybe color the whales in markers or pencils. And it's an easy page, done. Oh, the ladybugs. Farm animals. And now we get into the more, you know, scenery, illustrations, illustration type of, what am I saying? The wallpaper ones are also illustrations, but more scenery and scenes and, you know. So this is so pretty. Oh, I love macarons. When they are, you know, moist, like if they are dry, they're terrible, but when they are nice and fluffy and moist, they're so good. I love them. Ah, that's really cool. This reminds me of the article I just read about using household items as planters, and has, you know, pots in your garden, so you would reuse your household product items instead of, you know, tossing them in the trash. And one thing that they mentioned was using boots has planters for flowers and stuff like that. Like this wheelbarrow. Is that how you say it? Oh my goodness. My English. Oh, so pretty. That is really pretty. I love the engagement ring. Oh. This intimidates me. This really does. You know. But I think maybe if you block color first and then add shadows or add shading, maybe it'll be easier. Oh, this is so pretty too. Wow. For the fall. Perfect. I hope you still can see, even though there's a shadow there. Yeah, the lighting situation is not improving, I know. I haven't been able to get better lighting, but I think you still can see quite well. Ah, beautiful. Oh my gosh, cupcakes. No, cupcakes. Oh, I love cupcakes as well. I have a sweet tooth, for those of you who don't know. Yeah, huge sweet tooth. This reminds me of my night table. Bloom with grace. Oh, look at those pies. Beautiful floral arrangement. So pretty. I can tell you that Jessica has a lot of talent. I wish I could draw like this. Or at least have the imagination to draw like this. Oh, a wedding cake. Beautiful. This could be another one. Oh my. Maybe go on Pinterest and check some wedding cakes or some cake designs, and you know, use that as a reference of colors to paint to color here. So, oh, beautiful. Some succulents. That could be really fun too. More succulents. Now we have succulents and cacti. Succulents arrangement. Beautiful. This is actually a neat idea. Use old glasses as a succulent planters and old wine bottles. Interesting. Stuck on you. That's funny. Oh, another beautiful one. Well, they're all beautiful, let's be honest, but you know, some call my attention more than others. But they're all equally, you know, very pretty. Say aloe to my friends. Funny. Cool. This is a lot in style. These planters, or I forget the name, hangers or hanging for the plants. In-house decor. I wonder how long this video is already, but there's so many illustrations here. So you know, pretty and adorable. Let love grow. Yeah, we have a huge or a good assortment of different style of pictures. And succulents are plantastic. And of course all around revolve around florals. I also love this one. This will be great to practice in my crystal coloring. Get another one. Very nice. This will be really nice, you know, the green succulents, and then this has warm, you know, warm colors. Paint the ground warm, so it makes a nice contrast between the green and the ground from the view. Very nice. Very cute. Looking sharp. We are approaching the end. We are approaching the end. There's one more illustration, which is this one. And that's it. It's a chunky book, and we have tester page. And here it is. I think it's a wonderful book. And I can't wait to start. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope if you liked it, I hope you will get it, purchase it, whatever, because I think it's lovely. Okay guys, I'll see you next time, wherever you are. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.